What does a beam of light feel like? Warmth. Vitality. Love. Aesthetics. This light began in 1898. In 1898, London chemist Ramsay filled a glass tube with gas. The moment electricity touched it, the whole room was wrapped in a warm red light. He stared for a long time. This light was just too gentle. Later, this gas was named neon. 4 years later, the Frenchman Claude worked magic on this beam of light. He found a cheap way to extract neon gas and bent the glass tubes into star shapes. In the 1910 Paris exhibition, that red light made everyone forget to raise their glasses. By 1923, this light had floated to Los Angeles, USA. Dealer Anthony bent the glass tubes into the word Packard, and car traffic came to a halt. Later, Times Square in New York was transformed into a city that never sleeps by neon lights. Las Vegas took it as its calling card, and even young couples chose to date under the neon glow. Over 100 years, from labs to streets, discoveries to icons, this light remains constant, illuminating stories into reality. We are LCSIGN, the transmitters of light. We transmit gentle companion. The nature of freedom. Declaration of personality. Exquisite aesthetic sense. It all starts from your story. LCSIGN, light your story. For a century.